Two key points for selling any property. You have to get both right. Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here with Arla Real Estate in Potomac, Chevy Chase. Two key points for selling any property. The two P's, pricing and presentation. You have to get both right. In this case, I'm in a vacant condo, but as you can see, it doesn't look vacant. It looks like somebody could come in and live right away, and that's by design, because the idea is when you're presenting a property, you want to present it in a way that someone says, I'll take it just as it is, right? Because I could see myself coming in and living just like this. So that's super important. Now, even if you get the presentation right, the pricing, you have to get the pricing right, because it could look beautiful, but it's overpriced. I'm not going to get as many people after the property. Some people think, well, I want to leave sellers of property. They want to leave a higher price so they can have that bargain room down. It just doesn't work. After hundreds and hundreds of properties, I never see that come into play. What I do see come into play is when you present the property well, like this, right? It looks beautiful, and you get the price in a sweet spot price, it attracts more people, and that's how you'll actually get the price, not bargained down, but bid up. And that will get you a higher net profit. And that's the way to do it. The two P's, presentation and pricing. Sweet spot pricing is important to get the most out of your property. Take care.